A woman in Bhubaneswar has made serious allegations of physical and sexual assault against the local police in Odisha. She claims that she was sexually harassed and her partner, an army major, was unlawfully detained. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Let's try to understand the whole incident. This incident took place when the couple visited the Bharatpur police station late night of 16 September to file a complaint. The woman, who was arrested last week on the charges of assaulting police officers on duty and vandalizing the police station's property. She made these revelations after being released on bail on Wednesday, that is September 18. The case has now garnered widespread attention and has also led to the suspension of 5 police personnel, including 1 inspector. All 5 police personnel are facing disciplinary action for gross misconduct. Now let's try to understand what unfolded that day and what led to the woman and the army major to seek help from the police. According to the woman's ordeal, the trouble began when she and her army partner were attacked by a group of men while they were returning home from her restaurant at around 1 a.m. last Sunday. However, the couple managed to escape the miscreants and sought help at the nearby police station, that is the Bharatpur police station. But to their surprise, when they arrived at the station, there was only one female constable who was dressed in civilian clothes and who refused to help. The woman also claims that the constable not only refused to assist them but also verbally abused them and later assaulted her. Soon the events took a dark turn when the male officers arrived at the scene. They allegedly requested a written complaint from the woman's partner, who is an army officer in the 22 Sikh Regiment in Kolkata, West Bengal. When the army major complied, the situation escalated further as the officers detained him. The woman objected, arguing that an army major cannot be unlawfully detained. At this point, the 2 female constables allegedly assaulted her. The woman in her media statement described how she resisted the whole attack. She also claims to have bitten one of the constables in the process, but ultimately she was overpowered. She was allegedly stripped of her clothes, tied up with her jacket and left in a room for hours. Now what followed was even more disturbing. A male officer allegedly entered the room, physically assaulted her and kicked her in the chest multiple times. The woman further alleged that the officer dropped his pants and forcibly removed her clothing. She accused the station's inspector for making inappropriate gestures towards her. Have a look at this video.
फिर मैंने उनसे वापस रिक्वेस्ट किया और बोला कि आप एक आर्मी ऑफिसर को नहीं डाल सकते हैं कस्टडी में, ये अनलॉफुल है, आप नहीं कर सकते ऐसा। तब तक 2 फीमेल ऑफिसर ने मेरे बाल पकड़ के जोर से खींच के मुझे मारना पीटना शुरू कर दिया। मैंने उनको रिक्वेस्ट करते रही, प्लीज स्टॉप, मत कीजिए, ऐसा मत कीजिए। फिर वो पुलिस स्टेशन के कॉरिडोर से मुझे घसीटते हुए ले जा रहे थे और उस टाइम पे मैं जितना जो उनको फाइट दे पाई, जहाँ उनके हाथ दिखे, एंकल्स दिखे, मैं फाइट बैक करने की कोशिश कर रही थी। उसके बीच में एक लेडी कांस्टेबल ने मेरा गला पकड़ के दबाने की कोशिश की तो मैंने उनका हाथ काटा है। उसके बाद उन्होंने मेरे ही जैकेट से मुझे मेरे पीछे हाथ बांधे और एक लेडी कांस्टेबल के स्कार्फ से मेरे पैर बांध के मुझे रूम में डाल दिया। फिर थोड़ी देर में एक मेल ऑफिसर आके मेरा ब्रा उतार के मेरे ब्रेस्ट पे किक मारना शुरू किया कंटिन्यूसली। एंड अराउंड 6 o'clock जो स्टेशन के IIC है वो आए और उन्होंने मेरा पैंट लोअर किया, अपना पैंट लोअर किया और अपना पीनस निकाल के मुझे बोला कि कितने बार तुम लेना चाहोगे कि तुम चुप रहोगे, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज्यादा चिल्ला रही थी हेल्प के लिए, बहुत ज्यादा चिल्ला रही थी हेल्प के लिए।
The woman's account paints a grim picture of the treatment she and her partner received at the hands of Bharatpur police station. She detailed how she was dragged across the station's corridor by a female officer and left vulnerable for further abuse. Despite revealing that she was a lawyer, her pleas for help were ignored. In response to these allegations, Odisha police have countered with different narrative. They claim that the woman and her partner were allegedly intoxicated at the time. They were the ones to assault on-duty officers and cause significant damage to the police property, including the computers and furniture in the police station. Local reports have been indicated that a liquor bottle was also found in the army officer's vehicle. However, a formal complaint has been also launched regarding the woman's claim of assault and harassment by the miscreants that has been filed at the Chandaka police station under the directive of Director General Police Y.B. Khurania. Footage shared online shows the woman receiving medical treatment for her injuries at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhubaneswar. The video also depicts her in neck brace and arm sling visibly shaken while speaking to the reporters. The women's wing of opposition Biju Janata Dal on Saturday staged a protest in front of the Raj Bhavan against the sexual assault on the woman in police custody. Congress activists are also attempting to gherav the official residence of Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Manchi, demanding his resignation over the incident. The case has now caught attention of the National Commission of Women, which has taken suo motu cognizance of the incident. The NCW has also demanded a complete and detailed report of the whole incident from the Odisha police. It also called for urgent disciplinary action against the officers involved. Additionally, the Odisha Police's crime branch has also been tasked to conduct a thorough investigation into the whole matter. The Odisha High Court granted the woman bail earlier this week, while the police personnel involved face an uncertain future as the investigation unfolds. The incident has sparked outrage not only in Odisha but across the country, with the questions being raised about the police's accountability and how civilians can be treated so inhumanly in police custody. For now, both sides of the story are under scrutiny, and the crime branch investigation will be pivotal in uncovering the truth behind the disturbing allegations. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.